Hi Ultimate Gardeners, welcome back to the Ultimate Gardening channel. My name is Emmanuel Arce, well known to be the Ultimate Gardener. Come join me in becoming an Ultimate Gardener day by day. So in today's exciting inspiring video, we're going to be discussing all about the Christmas plant poinsettias. During this time of year, they sell poinsettias all over the even shopping stores, nurseries. You'll see them in all different types of sizes, shapes, and colors during the holiday season. But there is a few things to keep note when it comes to growing and having these in your possession, because they can be a little bit hard to grow and care for. So that's why I made this video today. But before jumping right into this video, I want to give a huge shout out to Tropical Plants of Florida for partnering with us yet again for providing 2 poinsettias for this video. And we're going to be running a giveaway later on in this video, so you have to stay tuned for that. So let's go ahead and jump right into this video. So let's discuss about this growing guide. So when it comes to poinsettias, they need a lot of sun, because the amount of sun you go ahead and provide them is how colorful and vibrant the bracts are going to be. You heard this around everywhere in social media if you're a gardener like me, that these vibrant red things are actually called bracts, and what's in the center of it is the actual flowers. These are not leaves, neither petals. These are bracts, because if exposed to proper sunlight, they turn vibrant red and they look so pretty for the holiday season. So you can go ahead and place this in an area where they receive all day sun. You'll know if you have them in the perfect location if their bracts turn a vibrant red and stay like that throughout the entire holiday season. You'll notice if they are not in the proper space, if their bracts start turning a dark green or even start falling off. So you want to prevent that from providing them lots of sun. Number 2 is their watering schedule. Poinsettias do not like to have wet feet, neither do they like to be dried out very much often. So you want to go ahead and make sure that their soil is well draining nonetheless, and also that can retain slight moisture just in case you skip a day of watering or you forget, and they're able to draw in from those water bubbles. But I would recommend checking your soil every 2 to 3 days. Always water your poinsettia when the surface of the soil has dried out, because that will mean that you'll evenly water your poinsettia and you'll be happy for the holiday season. So keep that in mind. Number 3 is that there's no fertilizing allowed when they are in their full prime. That will completely delay them if you fertilize them. So if you want them to rebloom, which is a completely other video that I'm going to be doing when the season is coming to an end, but no fertilizing while the poinsettias are vibrant and you have them showcased in your house or outside your house during the holiday season, because you don't want to delay your poinsettias any much time. So you don't want to go ahead and fertilize them while they're in their full prime. So now we talked about the growing guide. Now let's go ahead and talk about the care guide. There's not a lot of things when it comes to the care guide. If not, give it the proper sunlight, the proper water, no fertilizing. Check the decorative containers just in case there's any water sitting in the bottom of it, and remove that excess water. Check for pests and diseases, because you don't want to introduce that inside your house. And also you want to go ahead and make sure that your poinsettia is looking nice, and if you have to prune any dead leaves so it can stay focused on those vibrant bracts, go ahead and do that. There's not a lot of details when it comes to the caring guide, because the thing you have to focus more on is the growing guide. So really quickly, I want to clear up that poinsettias are not toxic. They are one of the plants that are the most slightest toxic in the world. You just have to eat an abundant amount of poinsettia leaves to even get an upset stomach. So if you have a toddler or animal at home, just be cautious where you place them and you should be good to go. Poinsettias are the slightest plant to be toxic or harmful to any human or animal in this planet. So now let's talk about the most anticipated point of the video, the giveaway. So Tropical Plants of Florida is hosting a poinsettia giveaway. It's all everything you need to learn on the giveaway and how to enter is on their website, but I'll be making it easier for you guys and leaving a link towards the giveaway down below for you guys to check out, as well as all Tropical Plants of Florida media pages. Go give them a follow, go support their amazing company, because they provide high quality plants and they do not disappoint. Trust me when I tell you guys this. So make sure you go enter, because the end date to enter is the 20th, because the 21st is when the giveaway ends and they'll announce the giveaway winner. So you want to make sure you enter the giveaway before time runs. So that's going to be it for this exciting sprouting video, you guys. Once again, if you learned something new, please leave a like down below. And while you're down there, if you want to support the Ultimate Gardening channel, please consider subscribing. Leave me any comments down below on what you thought on this video, as well as any video suggestions, and I would gladly do them. Thank you all so much for watching this video. May the Lord bless you and your family. And never forget to grow big, Ultimate Gardeners. Bye, guys.